Have you ever thought about starting a real estate business in UAE? Imagine tapping into a market teeming with potential, where skyscrapers kiss the sky and properties echo luxury. The United Arab Emirates, a land of architectural marvels, is a real estate gold mine, experiencing robust growth year after year. For the entrepreneurial spirit, this market promises not just profits, but a chance to shape cityscapes. So, are you ready to be a part of this dynamic industry? Let's dive into the steps you need to take to start your real estate business in the UAE. To begin, understanding the UAE real estate market is crucial. It's like a compass, guiding your entrepreneurial journey, and without it, you might find yourself lost in the vast desert of investment opportunities. Take the first step towards success by conducting comprehensive market research. Familiarize yourself with the economic climate, the real estate trends, and the behavior of other investors. This will enable you to make informed decisions and reduce the risk of a potential downfall. The UAE economy is robust and diverse, with a plethora of sectors ripe for real estate investment. From residential and commercial properties to industrial and agricultural sectors, there's a niche for everyone. Each of these sectors has its own unique set of dynamics and factors influencing its performance. The residential sector, for instance, is influenced by population growth and urbanization trends, while the commercial sector is tied to business growth and the overall economic health. In the UAE, different emirates also present different opportunities. For example, Dubai is known for its luxury real estate and high-rise buildings, while Sharjah is popular for its affordable housing options. Just as a chef needs to understand the ingredients before cooking a meal, an entrepreneur needs to understand the market before starting a business. Remember, knowledge is power. Equip yourself with as much information as possible to navigate the market effectively. Now that we have a basic understanding of the UAE market, let's move on to the next step. The next step is to understand the legal requirements and how to set up your business. Now, let's delve into the legalities of starting a real estate business in the United Arab Emirates. Firstly, acquiring the necessary licensing is crucial. You will need a real estate license issued by the Department of Economic Development, also known as DED. This license is a testament to your business's legitimacy, and its absence could lead to severe penalties. The process may seem daunting, but with the right guidance, it can be navigated smoothly. Next, you'll need to register your business. This involves selecting a business name, ensuring it adheres to the UAE's naming conventions. You'll also need to decide on the legal structure of your business. This could range from a sole proprietorship to a limited liability company. Each has its pros and cons, so choose wisely based on your business plans. Let's not forget the role of the Department of Economic Development. This governmental body is your go-to authority for all matters related to starting and operating a business in the UAE. They oversee the licensing process, ensure businesses comply with the UAE's laws, and offer a wealth of resources to help businesses succeed. It's also important to mention that the UAE encourages foreign investment, offering numerous incentives such as 100% foreign ownership and zero taxes in certain zones. However, these come with their own set of rules, so it's worth exploring these options and their legal implications. Lastly, remember that legal requirements may vary across different emirates. For instance, Dubai has its own real estate regulatory agency, which imposes additional regulations on real estate businesses operating within its jurisdiction. The legal aspect of setting up a business might seem like a complex web, but don't let it intimidate you. With due diligence and the right advice, you can navigate through it successfully. With the legalities sorted, it's time to plan your business. Starting a real estate business in the UAE can be a lucrative venture. and understanding these legal requirements is a significant first step towards success. A solid business plan is key to your real estate business success. This is not just a saying, it's a fundamental truth. A business plan is a roadmap for your enterprise. It's like a GPS that guides you through the complex world of real estate, helping you navigate the twists and turns that come your way. This plan doesn't just tell you where you are going, it also outlines how you intend to get there. Let's delve into the components of a robust business plan. First, an executive summary. This is a concise overview of your business, highlighting your mission, vision, and key objectives. Think of it as an elevator pitch for your enterprise. Next, we have the company description. This part offers a detailed profile of your company, including its legal structure, location, and competitive advantages. It's like a snapshot of your business, giving readers a clear picture of what you're all about. Then comes the market analysis. Here's where you show your understanding of the real estate market in the UAE. You'll need to present detailed information about your target market, including demographics, market trends, and competition. It's like a microscope, focusing on the specific segment of the market you intend to capture. The fourth component is the organization and management structure. This section outlines your business's organizational structure, the roles and responsibilities of your team, and how decisions are made. It's like a blueprint, showing how your business is built from the ground up. Next is the services or products line section. Here you describe what you're selling, be it properties, real estate, services, or a combination of both. This section is like a catalog, showcasing what your business has to offer. Then there's the marketing and sales strategy. This part explains how you plan to attract and retain customers. It's like a game plan, outlining your strategies for winning in the marketplace. Lastly, the financial projections. This section provides an overview of your business's financial outlook, including projected income, expenses, and profitability. It's like a forecast, predicting your business's financial future. A well-crafted business plan not only sets your business on the path to success, but it can also help secure funding. Banks and investors often require a business plan before they'll consider funding your venture. With a business plan in hand, we move on to the next step: funding. Securing funding is a major step in starting your real estate business. It's the fuel that will power your venture, enabling you to purchase properties, hire a team, and cover operational expenses. So where can you turn to when you need this crucial capital? One of the most common sources of funding is a bank loan. Many financial institutions offer loans specifically designed for real estate businesses, with favorable interest rates and repayment terms. But remember, you'll need a solid business plan and a strong credit history to secure this kind of funding. Another potential avenue for funding is investors. These could be angel investors, venture capitalists, or even friends and family who believe in your vision and are willing to support you financially. Pitching to investors requires a persuasive business case, showcasing the potential return on their investment. Lastly, there's always the option of personal savings. Although this can be a risky route, it gives you complete control over your finances and avoids the need for loan repayments or investor expectations. However, it's important to ensure you have a safety net and don't put all your eggs in one basket. In short, there are multiple paths to secure funding for your real estate business in the UAE. Each has its own advantages and considerations, so it's critical to weigh your options carefully. Now that we have secured funding, let's focus on building a team. Building a strong team is crucial for a successful real estate business. It's like constructing a building. Every brick matters, and the strength of each brick contributes to the stability of the entire structure. In the realm of real estate, your team is the bedrock upon which your business stands. The first step in assembling your all-star team is identifying the roles you need. You'll need a mix of strategists, marketers, salespeople, and customer service professionals. Strategists will help you plan and execute your business strategy. Marketers will spread the word about your properties, salespeople will close the deals, and customer service professionals will ensure your clients remain satisfied. Hiring the right people for these roles is paramount. Look for individuals who are not just skilled, but also share your vision and passion for real estate. These are the people who will go the extra mile to ensure your business thrives. Remember, skills can be taught, but attitude and mindset can't. Attracting this caliber of talent requires creating an attractive work environment. Competitive salaries are an essential part of this, but don't overlook the importance of offering opportunities for growth and development, fostering a positive work culture, and recognizing and rewarding hard work. With a great team in place, you're ready to start your real estate business in the UAE. Teamwork makes the dream work. And with the right people on your side, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Now that we've covered all the steps, let's do a quick recap. To kickstart your real estate business in the UAE, understanding the market is crucial. It's essential to study the potential of different emirates and identify the niches that align with your business vision. Then, we delved into the legal requirements and the process of setting up your business. It's vital to comply with the UAE's regulations and to establish your business on firm legal ground. Next, we tackled business planning. A well-structured business plan serves as your roadmap, outlining your goals and strategies, and helping to keep you focused. We then discussed securing funding, whether it's through banks, investors, or personal savings. Finding the right source of capital is critical to get your business off the ground. Lastly, we stressed the importance of building a strong team. Your team is your greatest asset, and their skills and dedication can propel your business to success. Starting a real estate business in the UAE might seem daunting, but with the right steps, it's absolutely achievable. Good luck on your entrepreneurial journey.